Hi, students in period C. So I'm sorry I'm not there today, but I did want to go through each of the problems. I want you to try them first, and then I thought that this might help me showing you exactly the best way to do them. So the owner of a fancy food shop wants to mix cashews selling at $8 a pound and pecans selling at $7 a pound. How many pounds of each nut should be mixed to get 8 pounds worth $7.25? So I decided on this one. I don't know why I choose to do the bowls instead of the chart, but I'm going to try the bowls. The reason I like that method is really because I don't have to remember much of what goes in what. So I'm going to make 3 bowls. The 2 things I'm mixing we're going to add together and we're going to equal our final bowl. Now you do want to label the tops of the bowls, so I'm going to call this one the cashews, this one the pecans, and this one the total mix. Okay? All right. Now, along the bottom, remember I said in the video last night, you want to put the amount of each. All right, so he wants to get 8 pounds of the final mix. So I know that this has to be 8. The problem is he's asking me how many pounds of each nut, so that's going to be my let statement. I'm going to let X equal the amount of cashews. All right, so as soon as I do that, I'm going to put the amount of cashews under cashews. So how do I find the amount of pecans? Well, remember, if I know the total is 8 and I know that cashews is X, then the pecans would be 8 minus X. Okay, so that's the amount. Now I have to deal with the other component, and in this case, the other component is price. So the price I'm going to put on the left. So 8, 7, and $7.25. Okay. All right, so now I multiply. We multiply the 2 components and they go inside the bowl. So 8x, and then 56 minus 7x, and then 725 times 8, I believe, is 58. Is 58. Okay. Switch colors. Now I can write my equation. You get your equation from the bowls. So 8x plus 56 minus 7x, make that minus bigger, equals 58. All right, so now it's a simple linear equation. You combine the like terms and isolate the variable. So 8x and 7x gives me x. I'm going to subtract 56, and I'm going to get x equals 2. All right, so now we know that there were 2 pounds of cashews, and then 8 minus 2 gives me 6, so 6 pounds of pecans. Okay, so that's question number 1.